Hello everyone, welcome to last month at LANX, July 2026. Back, so you two stand over there, you're out of the way.
I'm not that heavy.
One of these days, I swear to God.
That was brilliant. You happy?
That's where the men start.
Got that leg on. We never saw Catherine again. I was on the train at the tube in London a few months ago, and I was sat down. It was a really quiet carriage, and a guy came on, sat opposite me. Could have sat anyone on that tube, could have been anywhere that day. And he sat opposite me. He was wearing a pair of LANX, and we were just facing each other. He didn't know who I was.
Did you say anything?
No, I didn't say anything. I took a picture there.
Yeah.
And I was just like, how many people are in London today? And he's sat on the. I thought, well, we must be doing all right now, you know.
Back home, have a day off. Can I have a chip?
No, milk's not.
Sam?
Yeah?
Don't you die.
This better be fucking 5 minutes off. We're in massive trouble. How far away is it?
Oh, it's only half a mile away.
Oh, that's lucky.
Need to strip off, lie down and sunbathe.
Tired. What have you done today is complain about being tired.
I haven't.
You haven't done it. You've been on the camera on me all day. It's like,
Yeah, I'm the one stood
give her a
around.
glass of wine.
You tell her, Alfie.
Well, no, it's ever. Unless, I'm only joking, no. Unless you're over there.
That was the plan.
And then I don't.
Do a bit of gardening.
Like the plants, pal.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, your pants.
Are you Marco?
I am.
Oh, you're the owner.
What are you doing? What's
Nice.
your name?
Alfie.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
very good.
I've got to say, what you've got going on here is mega.
Thank you. I've got the flowers on the shoes.
Oh, well, your flowers are beautiful.
Well, I'll tell you what, while you're here, make yourself useful. Just,
Yeah, no worries.
Just
Yeah.
a bit of spirit with that. I'll go draw a brew.
Yeah, I'll have a tea, please.
Tea, right.
We should do a collab. A dogging collab.
A dogging club.
Dogging collab.
So dogging footwear for wearing while you're dogging.
Yeah.
What would a shoe? What would be a good shoe for dogging in?
Something that's not loud. Because a lot of dogging's creeping up behind someone's windscreen. Slippers, yeah.
Alright, okay. So are you looking for work here or?
No, I'm looking for work. I'm just going for a look round.
Oh, right,
Literally,
okay.
I'm just here to be nosy.
Alright,
But but you know what? Now I've been here and I've done a bit of work.
yeah.
I can have my CV and see if I get a job.
Yeah,
But-
because we're looking for some people in the factory at the moment actually.
Right.
So. What is Alfie doing?
Very good. I'm just doing my first day as an apprentice. So I'm new to the job. It's like an engine, isn't it, almost? Like pistons and...
Oh yeah. Thing on the right, Dad.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm wondering, do we come up with something clever or what? Is that in the pipeline already?
Do you know what?
Because I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
We don't have a Clitheroe shoe.
That is that's the best little town in the world.
Yeah.
And obviously what you've got going here.
Why we've got?
Clitheroe.
I think the way people read Clitheroe, I won't say how some people read it out. I'm sure.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
Maybe what's put us off.
Really, do you reckon?
Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's so obvious to do it. We haven't done it.
My next project, I'm going to sail across the English Channel.
Alright, brilliant.
So I'm going to be wearing these because then I'll float.
Sail across the channel.
Yeah, on a wheelie bin. That's a different story.
Hello. What we got going on, Evan?
I've got the dog sat on my feet.
I've had my shoes stolen.
The dog's stolen there.
Yeah. We are here with One Life in the LANX factory. Oh yeah. Hey. There we are. Hey. How are we doing, guys?
Very well. Did have you told everyone the last time we saw you were in a pair of short shorts? a nice robe.
At Crowwood.
Yeah. Can't think straight.
So what we're on with today is we're doing the product meeting for planning 2027.
Nice.
With Bobby and Marie.
Yeah,
Cool.
we're steering a little bit away from the boots and more into this. I have my two preferences though have both been women's shoes, so I'm not sure what's going on.
That's okay. That's okay. I have to wear women's, so.
3, 2, 1. Good news! The boots we love are now waterproof and the boots are waterproof. Yeah, our boot that we've worn around the world literally for the last 2 years is now being fully approved as waterproof. And yeah, wow, oh good, hold on. Whoa.
If anybody gets offered a lift by Evan, say no, don't do it. He's just driven us to location, which was basically a 25-minute rally driving session. I was almost sick by the time I got there. Do not ever get in a car with Evan.
I like to drive it. It's big, isn't it? It's big.
Saying some people collect stamps, some people collect teddy bears. We collect leather shoes. Little story for you. We're in 2 years ago. We're in Tajikistan, right? One of the highest drivable roads in the world, and we're at 4,500 meters. And on the side of the road was like a truck pulled, like broken down, and they had a flat tire. And we got like, you know, do you have a jack? So it's like, yeah. I was like, no problem. Come on, work out what's going on. We can't speak English. Anyway, like 5 or 6 lads all come round. I'm like, oh, the jack's in here. But the jack was in a locker that actually had all our LANX shoes in at that point. Probably had like, I don't know, 8, 10, 12 pairs. So I was like, this is going to be so embarrassing. I was like, so it's just 1 minute, lads, just one, yeah. And you know, these lads are in like knackered old flip-flops. That's it. They've not got a penny to rub between them. And they're looking at us like, what are you guys doing? I was like, so embarrassed. It was a pal. And here's the jack, here's the jack.
Hi, Law.
You have made an effort there, Joe.
So, very smart.
Just tell us how you've styled your outfit.
So walk us through your look.
Sweating in the
Yeah.
shed.
So what I've done is start with my shoes,
Yeah.
then pants,
Yeah.
the top.
Yeah.
Now I'm sweating buckets.
Where's your first stop, guys?
Well,
My bed.
yeah. We had a beautiful stop last night.
Yeah.
M6 Motorway Services.
Nice.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All those truckers honking all night.
Oh, brilliant.
Beautiful. Yeah, living the dream. Living the dream.
It's the LANX Summer Barbecue. Come take a look.
Trying to make a good account.
Tell us what's going on right now.
Barbecue.
Here he comes.
He looks proud of himself.
Leave me alone.
That's what we're talking about, brother!
I think Marco should do this once a week. I think he's done a good job, and 7 out of 10.
7.
Dreadful. No, terrible. I'm like struggling to get through this.
Talk to me with your.
No, if you'd used my barbecue tools, you would have been miles better. No, it's good.
I would have been 20.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That bullying, that.
Come over here. We have too many managers and this is why. We need 2 people. Evan, you're...
One more. It needs to stay. It needs to stay.
I'll come in fit. I'll come in.
Yeah, you're just mincing. Yeah.
No, I'll come in.
Yeah, just not doing anything, are you, Michael? What about getting involved, Michael? No. Right, fine.
Michael!
Michael!
You're getting your kit
So
off.
look at it.
We're all going to be matching like little minions sweatshirts for the colder months and some nice heavyweight cotton box fit tees.
Well, let's have a look at them, Sam. Factory team, LANX factory team. So why are we doing this?
Because everyone comes in looking like scruffs. So we need a bit of uniformity across the factory team.
We like that.
We need to get them out of the frigging New Balances and the Nikes and whatever, get them into LANX. Everyone's wearing the same stuff, and it creates that cohesiveness.
Nice.
You know? Yeah.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, yeah, that's it.
We're looking proper professional.
Proper
professional.
profesh. Just the man. Thank you, Steve-O.
Hi, Steve.
What are you doing here? Christmas. Cheers. Oh, there you go.
Dave, you've got your new uniform.
Matching underwear.
Look at that.
Sexy.
Hey.
Big gig next time we're on camera.
I wanted a bucket thing.
Hey, let's have a look at them, Josh. Nice.
How do we look?
Actually, March your bum. Dinky feet. Got little feet like yours.
What are we on with?
We've got some wholesale stuff coming up that Ollie's been managing out, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to build a shoe wall very similar to our event stand.
Yeah.
So at the minute we're putting it together, and hopefully we'll have some floating shoes probably halfway through of what we've got to do. Tart it up a little bit and make it look LANX. That's all it is. We're asking colours of each individual to see what it goes with the matching on the corrugated. What they
I feel like this is the prettiest, but probably doesn't fit the vibe well.
It's a bit like manufactured, isn't it?
Yeah, this one obviously like matched in colour, but because it's so close, it's like a millimetre's worse. Yeah, millimetre's worse than a metre.
I've done something that's perfect. You heard that? The majority, 4 of them were black. I think one liked it, but said it went too nice with it. It went really nice. And somebody said it was perfect. So I can do things that are perfect. Yeah. Perfect. These two that liked, that's had the most votes.
It's Fun Fact Friday.
A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Nobody knew that. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain. Humans are the only known animal that has a chin. And I have 5.
I'm all about efficiency.
Straight out the drawer.
Think we've got enough?
Are they all for you?
I'm a margarita guy, you know, and a pepperoni. Crispy. Who does that?
Is it coming on?
I hope so. Come on, the boys.
What's happened, Marco?
Bailey, get some decent chairs.
Or a diet.
Who's been screwing the nuts on that?
Michael's own photo shoot.
Why are we paying models, Marco? Why are we paying models? You've got one right here.
First day of the sale's been amazing.
Yeah.
Because the warehouse staff have got everything out the door.
So you're coping without me being in there then?
Not really, no. I had a breakdown this morning at 5 AM thinking that you weren't going to be in there. And then I talked to myself in the mirror. Told myself, get it together. And then I walked into the warehouse and I saw Sandra. And my life was made.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll do that again, sorry.
Take 2.
Yeah.
Action.
Right, this is Scarlet. She is doing our makeup for, how long have you done our makeup for now?
Just over a year.
Over a year?
Yeah.
been a great addition to the team. But you're unsung hero on the shoot, I hear. So.
Oh, really? Okay.
She's been your favourite shoot so far.
Even though it was crazy, I did love the London suit. Yeah. So I'm a makeup artist. I do offer hair services as well. Work a lot in e-com campaign, do other bits as well, but I'd say a lot of my work is kind of industry. And yeah, I've been working with like that over a year, and it's very natural, kind of countryside. I want to keep it, you know, she's a country girl in 365s.
How are we finding them trousers, girlies?
Break a bit.
That's what I do sometimes.
Break a bit.
The tall girl problems are hitting right now. Can you just look at the length of my trousers compared to Kiara's?
Oh, okay.
I'm rearranging the factory again because in Sacco and Robert's wise wisdom, we originally swapped the racking for something shorter, which I believe is more health and safety kind of orientated.
Yeah.
It's not having to climb up ladders and pick things off.
Yeah.
But now, after spending 4 days doing that, we then decided to actually go back to the same racking we originally have. So now I've got to take everything down again and redo the same 4-day process that I did last time. And I'm fuming.
Okay, yeah, welcome to last month at LANX.
I look like a squishy.
Go on, let's see.
Whoa!
I'm not, it's not
That is so funny. He's trying to say he wants to.
Back in the day, LANX was born. Its slogan, proper shoes, now get 'em worn. Markets each weekend, an M60 tour, the weather a gamble, not called off at all. Alti Markets was, at first, a nice treat, where the Soxlet was born, many interesting meets, until the market mafia pushed us to seek more far-flung treats. NQ was a day, a city centre base, customers no longer obliged to buy online or make a trip to our village in haste. It's raining cats and whales, an early Marv phrase, the first of many in the pursuit of online likes and Insta fame. Big shows came next, both local and nationwide, from Urmston to Badminton. It was quite a surprise. Yorkshire, a fun spot for a couple of LANX guys. What you doing here? Go back old Pennines. LANX wasn't a word, easily pronounced first try. LANX, 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 they all tried. Sporting friends made on our doorstep were fun, boasting cricket, football, league and union. We've half the league now and trying for more. Not bad for a lot from a Lancashire moor. Everyone now seems to know the LANX name, a connection of sorts to a local town or a lane, an auntie, a cousin that lived here one time, an uncle, a brother who once walked and ate pie. I've said it a lot and I'll say one more time. I was there in the beginning when LANX launched on a sunny Worley lunchtime. When the LANX collection comprised of 3 shoes and 2 boots, an enthusiastic Marv, a family effort with some friends thrown in too. I've been here properly when LANX was 4 and 5 man strong. Now look around the room, hasn't it grown? From an attic you couldn't swing a bag full of cats, to multiple warehouses still asking, where can I fit that? As the company grows, both its team and its presence, remember that once, LANX's biggest day was selling 5 shoes on Shorten Market. Keep the memory of a company's soul. Remember the people, remember the goal. A walk at Pendle, a social, a chat, proper and local, and always on track.